Imagine a world where your everyday transactions are powered by something entirely new, something beyond. Bitcoin's familiar glow. We're on the edge of a financial revolution, driven by digital currencies you've probably never heard of. Yet today, we're uncovering the unsung heroes of the digital economy, the currencies quietly reshaping how we earn, spend, and invest. Welcome back to The Wealth Equation, where we break down money, power, and the systems that shape your financial future. If you think Bitcoin is the endgame of digital money, think again, because while Bitcoin grabbed the headlines, the real transformation is happening elsewhere. Bitcoin changed everything. Proved one radical idea: money doesn't need governments or banks to exist. It introduced decentralization, scarcity through code, trust without intermediaries. But here's the uncomfortable truth most people ignore. Bitcoin was the spark, not the entire fire. Slow, it's volatile. It was never designed to handle the complexity of modern global finance. That gap? That's where the next wave of digital currencies comes in. Mainstream media loves price charts, hype cycles, and celebrity endorsements. What it doesn't cover well? Infrastructure-level innovation, government-backed digital money. Quiet experiments that could replace banks altogether. The biggest shifts in financial history rarely announce themselves loudly. They happen silently. Then suddenly, right now, the spotlight is missing what truly matters. Let's talk about stablecoins. Unlike Bitcoin, stablecoins are designed for stability, not speculation. They're pegged to real-world assets like the US dollar. Why does this matter? Because stablecoins power global crypto transactions, enable instant cross-border payments, are already used by businesses and governments. In many countries, stablecoins are functioning as digital dollars faster, cheaper, and outside traditional banking rails. This isn't theory, it's already happening. Now here's where things get controversial. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. These are government-issued digital currencies backed by central banks themselves. On one hand, faster payments, financial inclusion, reduced corruption. On the other, total transaction visibility, programmable money. Potential loss of financial privacy. CBDCs aren't about replacing Bitcoin. They're about replacing cash and control. And nearly every major economy is testing them right now. So here's the real equation you need to understand. The future of money won't be one coin. It'll be an ecosystem. Bitcoin, stablecoins, CBDCs, and digital currencies still being built in silence. Those who understand this early don't just watch history, they position themselves ahead of it. This is the wealth equation. Wow. And now, you know what lies beyond Bitcoin.